If you're trying to decide between Lubuntu and Xubuntu, I've spent some time testing both, and here's the simple way I'd break it down. Both Lubuntu and Xubuntu are lightweight versions of Ubuntu, but they're built for slightly different people. Lubuntu is the bare minimum maximum speed option. It runs the LXQT desktop, uses very little RAM, and honestly feels perfect for really old laptops or anything struggling with performance. If your machine is super limited, Lubuntu just gets out of your way and lets it run. Xubuntu, on the other hand, feels more familiar and polished. It uses XFCE, gives you more customization, and still stays lightweight without feeling too stripped down. If you're coming from Windows, you'll probably feel more at home here. So my take? Go Lubuntu for pure speed and weak hardware. Go Xubuntu if you want balance, looks, and control.